Good morning. We're in Canberra. How are you doing? Aaron Full of Transport, we are back. Just given the windows, windscreen, already done that. A quick wipe down with this zero static from Chem Tools. We are going down to Canberra tonight. So we're cleaning all the mugs and all the water drops off from washing it over the weekend. Give us some good vision in our travels. See us on the road. Righto, we're stuck in the shit. Just the usual southbound M7 East Big Creek. At least we got a bit of soot going on. Well, I'm going to go get myself loaded down here off the M5 somewhere down here. We're going to go and get a load on, and then we'll be on our way southbound. So stick with us and we'll do some time lapse, and once I get loaded and off into this sunset down the highway. Good morning. We're in Canberra. Some people will know where we are by our surroundings. I had a good snooze last night. We're up and we are ready to unload the load that we got on. And then we'll make our way back uptown.